Ever tried to filter data based on results from another query? That's where subqueries become essential. Let's break down what they are and how to use them. A subquery is simply a query nested inside another SQL statement. You can place it in a where clause, a from clause, or even inside insert, update, or delete statements. The magic happens because the subquery executes first, and then the outer query uses its results. Think of it as a query within a query, feeding data to the main operation. Here's a real-world example. Say you want to find all employees who earn more than the average salary. You'd use a subquery in the where clause to first calculate that average, then compare each employee's salary against it. The subquery runs once, gets the average, and the outer query filters using that value. Now subqueries come in two flavors. A non-correlated subquery runs independently once and returns its result to the outer query. It doesn't reference anything from the outer query. A correlated subquery is different. It references columns from the outer query and executes once for each row being processed. This makes it more powerful, but also slower for large datasets. Two important syntax rules to remember. First, always wrap your subquery in parentheses. Second, make sure your subquery returns the right type of data for how you're using it. A here expects a list, while a comparison operator needs a single value. Bottom line. Subqueries let you nest queries for powerful filtering and transformations. Master them, and you'll write cleaner, more efficient SQL. Now go practice with some real datasets. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.